This video is your sign to just try to do the thing that you don't think that you could do. A friend gave us this broken generator after ours was stolen, and it was all seized up. The engine wouldn't turn. The governor right here, it wouldn't budge. So I thought, what the heck? We don't have anything to lose. Let's try to fix it. So I watched a bunch of YouTube videos, watching guys do this repair, and gave it a try. Excuse me while I dump this oil all over the garage, but I poured it in and I messed with it for a few days and finally got it to turn. So after that, just needed to clean out the carburetor a bit. After I seriously tried for like 15 minutes to get these screws off, and watched another guy on YouTube do it with a pair of fire cutters and a clamp. So that's what you just saw there. Everything inside was pretty clean, so there wasn't a whole lot to do there. Cleaned it up and put it back together. Here's where I start the process of trying to put everything back together. There were several times where I got pieces on and got a few steps in and realized that I had to take those pieces back off in order to put something on that I forgot. So here's what I'm doing. Taking up the air filter again, loosening up the carburetor so that I can attach that and put it back on. Yeah, that's another thing I forgot. I should have put this on probably before the air filter. But here we are putting the fuel line back on. And luckily I took a picture of this because I couldn't remember which wire went on which side, but we got it. And it's all done. Honestly, I was scared to death to try to start this up. And you can tell, by the way, I just run away from it.